No Nonsense Know-How here, working on a 2003 Ford Taurus with 153,000 miles on it. Just wanted to share a quick experience here, show you guys how to quick diag these codes. Got a p0316 misfire detected and a number 3 misfire. Now this is a dead miss, which makes it very easy to diagnose. Just to show you the cylinders, it's going to be 1, 2, 3 in the back, 4, 5, 6 in the front. And the reason I'm making this video is because I've seen a lot of people say that, you know, if you have one cylinder misfire, only on one cylinder, these coil pack, this can't be the problem because it has 3 coils in here. 1, 2, 3 coils with the way this, I'm not going to go into how this ignition system works, but anyway, but this is a good example right here. I got some high voltage gloves. These are nice to have. You can't really get zapped for these. They're for hybrid cars. But if you pop off number 4 right here, you can see we got good spark. And on the same coil, we pop off this guy right here off number 3, and we got nothing. So we got something internally broken in there. Even if I take this lead and put it there, nothing. Also, just to show you here, these are numbers. This is cylinders 1, 2, 3, and then it's 4, 5, 6 right here. So I just wanted to show you guys that because I usually don't see that too often, but this goes to show you that internally, you know, you can have a problem with the coil and it being on just one cylinder. One good way to check for these coils, sometimes they crack as well. If you spray them down with some water like that, sometimes even add a little salt in the water helps out because that'll allow the arc to jump the gap a lot easier. Spray down your wires and see if you have any arcs going anywhere, if your wires are worn out. And of course, check your spark plugs as well. And if it's not ignition related, you know, check that your injectors are pulsing. If you have a dead miss, take a stethoscope or screwdriver, put it on here, put it up to your ear, and you should hear these all ticking the same. You can actually feel these ticking with your finger too on these old injectors. You feel those all ticking. All right, so got that new coil on there, simple enough. You have 3 8mm bolts. Go ahead and put some dielectric grease in your connector, and also a dab of dielectric grease in each one of those. And so with that new coil on there, we can see we pop off number 3. We got great spark. So anyway, guys, I'll put a link in there if you guys want to buy a coil on Amazon. I'll put a link in there for the part. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up on there if you guys found this video helpful. And yeah, until next time, no nonsense, no how.